Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your Google account is ready and your preferred payment method is active. This avoids interruptions later. Once done, open the Google Play app and tap your profile icon at the top right to reveal account options. Navigate to Payments and Subscriptions so you can see billing methods and offers. Make sure you're in the same country as your payment method. If not, update your country settings before proceeding to find loan or financing options. You now search the app or in-app purchase page for financing or buy now, pay later links. These appear near the purchase button. Once you find an offer, read eligibility, APRA, term length, and any fees. This explains cost and why one plan may be better. If required, complete identity and address verification or a soft credit check. These steps confirm eligibility and protect you. After verification, choose a payment schedule that fits your budget and proceed to confirm the loan. You finish by carefully reviewing the final loan agreement, checking monthly amounts, and confirming the first payment date. This prevents surprises. After you accept, save the confirmation and watch your bank or Google Pay for the initial charge receipt. If the loan is declined, retry verification steps, use an alternate card or payment method, and make sure billing address matches your account. If issues persist, contact Google Play support for targeted help and request clarification on denial reasons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.